Welcome viewers, welcome to Ostibina YouTube channel. On this channel, I teach how to navigate the forex market. If you are a newbie or you have been into the forex industry and then you are still finding it difficult to navigate the forex market, or you don't have a strategy that is reliable and it's working, make sure you subscribe to this channel because on this channel you are going to get lots and lots of videos that is going to teach you how or guide you on how you can navigate the forex market with precision and accuracy. Make sure you subscribe and turn on notification and also help someone outside there by sharing this video to the person, right? That's it, guys. So on this very video, I'm going to teach you the institutional reference point. I'm not going to teach you everything once. So I will teach you mitigation block, breaker block, liquidity boy, fair value gap, all of them. They are actually seven institutional reference points, right? So if you watch my first video, which is the where I told you guys that I will take you guys through a series on the advanced price action, right? So on this advanced price action, I will teach you guys how you can trade or navigate the forex market using ICT trading strategy, right? Let's leave it that way. That is it, guys. So make sure you go through the playlist because you are going to see each and every one of these step institutional reference point explained on, yeah, explained. So make sure you watch all the videos, right? So but for this video I'm going to consider liquidity void, right? Liquidity void, make sure you pay attention, guys. So this is it, liquidity void. So liquidity void, what is liquidity void? Liquidity void is simply one-sided movement in price delivery, right? So whenever you see price deliver and leaves a void, right, which is a one-sided movement, which is you see so many candles, right, without an opposing price delivering, right? Let's say you see, look at, as you can see on the screen right here, you can see just on in this very zone, you can see all bearish candle, right, with all momentum bearish candle, right, without any bullish candle, right, or as yes. So in this case, this is an inefficient price action, right? So we are expecting that in near term future that price is going to come back to revisit or to rebalance all these inefficiencies. So that is what it is, right? So I just want to explain it in such a way that you understand it as a newbie because I understand that it's going to be complex for you if you are just getting used to all these uh uh, ICT concept, right, is not going to be easy. So make sure you watch the video over and over again so you can understand everything I'm explaining. So actually, liquidity void is very, very, very powerful. Like I said, is one-sided movement, right? Whenever you see one-sided movement like this, we turn an opposing movement in price action that's known as liquidity void. I'm going to show you like two to three examples so you can get to master it, know it, and then you can go to the chart and find these things on your own. So now, how do you take entries with this kind of with liquidity void? What you simply do, personally myself, what I simply do, I wait for price to reprice into 50% of that range, and then that is where I will start looking for entries using liquidity void for trading, right? So immediately you can see right here, you note, please, I want you to take note of something. This void doesn't have to be filled before you take your entry. It can come to at least 50% or above 50%, which is known as premium, right? So this which is known as premium in the case of bearish order flow. As you can see right here, price has been bearish, right? So in the case of bearish order flow, you love to sell at premium, and then in the case of bullish order flow, you love to buy at discount. That is what it is, guys. So above 50% is known as premium, and then below 50% is known as discount. So immediately price tapped into above 50% right here using our liquidity void. You can see what happened. Price started trading lower immediately. I'm going to show you other examples, guys. I'm going to show you other examples. We are going to check the charts together, and then immediately it happened. You can see price started moving downwards, right? So you would have taken an entry and taken advantage of this trade. So let's take a look at another one. So you can see another liquidity void here. You can see it happens almost all the times, right? It happens almost all the times. So if you understand liquidity void, believe me, you are going to be having many entries, and then not just many entries that with accuracy, that is just it. Accuracy in your trade, you're going to have more accuracy in your trade entries, right? So you can see the same thing happen here again, right? So it did not fail, it traded above 50%, and then it started trading lower. This is it. So in a case like this, immediately it trade up to 50 or above 50%, you start looking for confirmation entries on lower time frame. Depends on how you take your entries, right? But if you want to know how I take my entries, make sure you check the playlist. You are going to see my entry model, right? That is it, guys. So in this case, it did not reprise up to 50%, so would have probably missed this kind of entry, right? But it's fine. You don't have to catch everything, all the moves in the market, guys. So you can see I've shown you some examples of liquidity void. So your assignment now is go to the chart and make sure you identify up to 20 liquidity void in the marketplace. There are many, as you can see. There are many. You can see liquidity void there. Look at it. The same thing happens all the time, guys. So make sure you identify up to 20 liquidity void. If you have my, I think you have my WhatsApp number, you can send them to me on my WhatsApp. Let me know that yes, you are learning something, right? So that is it, guys. So make sure you subscribe to this channel, and you can share this video as well to someone out there that is going to be helpful to, right? Thank you for watching.